Hey everybody, do you remember the last video where we installed all the river rock? Well, I was at work last week and my husband surprised me, went and bought some rocks and had it all done by the time I came home. I thought that was really sweet. Today I'm going to be working on this flower bed right here. I have pretty much 4 sweet romance lavenders that are either dead or dying. This one here, I cut back a lot, got all the dead out of it. It looked just like this one. And this has like 1 stalk that's still alive. This one has 1 stalk. This one I replaced already just about a month ago. And this one is completely dead. Those are just weeds that are in there at the bottom of the base of the lavender. So what I'm working on today is, while my husband was very sweet and installed this flower bed here, these rocks, he didn't know that I had plans just to bring this out just a little bit more, bump it out. So now I'm gonna have to remove all of the rocks, dig up this portion of the grass, and remove these plants. And then I purchased 4 more sweet romance lavenders that are going to go up front a little bit. All right, so now it's a little bit more defined, which I like. I don't know, I might have to bring it out, the rocks out a little bit more over here by the petunias, right over in here, so that it looks, it flows better. This one's dead, so it's going. Here it is, all finished. I ended up moving the sweet romance lavender because they grow about 12 to 18 inches tall and wide, and I had it planted way too close together. Now the rockin fuchsia salvia, they grow about 24 to 36 inches tall and wide. So it'll be full when it's done, or I'll end up having to extend the flower bed again, which I don't think Steve will be too happy about. He's losing part of his lawn. But I ended up transplanting this phlox here, and it seems like it's doing really well. So it was being crowded out where I had it planted earlier. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.